Hello and welcome to Japanese Beautiful Sights. Every Sunday I will introduce a Japanese beautiful place in English. I am your professor, Mr. Doi, and I am making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script I am reading from in this video description. Today, I will talk to you about Goryokaku. Goryokaku is a star-shaped fortress in Hokkaido, Hakodate, Hokkaido. It plays an important role in Japanese history. Built in 1957 built in 1857 at the end of the Edo period, it was the site of the Battle of Hakodate. Goryokaku is Japanese first Western-style fort, and its beautiful star-shaped attracts many tourists. The main attraction of Goryokaku are its historical significance and beautiful scenery. From Goryokaku Tower, you can see the entire star-shaped fort. In spring, about 1,600 cherry trees bloom, making it a popular spot for hanami, cherry blossom viewing. The area is now Goryokaku Park, where visitors can enjoy nature in every season. Recently, the Goryokaku Digital Archive project has gained attention. This project digitalized historical documents and videos about Goryokaku and makes them available online. This helps people from all over the world learn about its history. Around Goryokaku, there are markets and selling local products and guided tours that teach about its history, offering various experiences for tourists. Goryokaku is also a great spot for foreign tourists. There are signs in English and other languages, making it easy for foreigners to enjoy their visit. Recent international tourism promotions have increased Goryokaku's recognition. By visiting Goryokaku, you can learn about the Japanese modern history and the charm of Hakodate. Its unique shape and rich history continue to attract many visitors. Goryokaku's appeal will continue to be loved by many people in the future. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.